So I'm going to download Aptana. It appears it supports AngularJS development. But let's see. The most powerful open source web development IDE just got better. Build web application quickly and easily using industry-leading web application IDE. Aptana Studio harnesses the flexibility of Eclipse and focuses it on powerful web application development, web development engine. Let's see whether Aptana is good for AngularJS development. Just tested the plugin with Aptana Studio 3. What we have is 3 here, and seems to work. Follow installation section on the site. Some people, it seems, they are using NetBeans, WebStorm, Aptana, Sublime Text. It's not free. Intel IDEA IntelliJ Community Edition. Let's give it a try for Aptana. How to download Aptana? Go in here. And download it. Okay, let's download the zip file. Open. Aptana Studio is being downloaded. Let's see what we can see inside. If there is an exe file, then we can execute it on Windows. It's just about 132 megabytes. Okay, it's for Linux, not for Windows. So let me see for Windows, what can I find? It says like AngularJS Eclipse is outdated, so it's suggesting to use wild web developer instead. So let's see here. Let's see here, wild web developer. Go to Marketplace. and install Wild Web Developer. Let's look at it first. Wild Web Developer, we have something here for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, Angular, JSON, YAML, Kubernetes, XML, and so on. It says it's installed. Wild Web Developer, seems it is installed. Let's see how to open Wild Web Developer. Let's see, it's already installed, right? So import projects we'll do. We have it. We have it on here, my project. So here we'll open up this one which we have set up in the previous step. Let's say my project, right? Yeah. So no Angular, but then let's see here, file system, import from directory, the one which we specify. My project, everything under it. Alright, we have git e2e, node modules, so on, into the folder. Probably not this one. Just say existing projects into workspace, and we will give this one. This is searching for projects. I found some article here. We probably need to install Visual Studio Code. So it will be a good environment, it seems. Let me download Visual Studio Code for Windows 789. Go for Windows, save it. Okay, install the Visual Studio Code. It's 68 megabytes unzipped. Accept the agreement. Okay, accept Visual Studio Code. Browse. I have something on C drive, I believe. C development tools here. Okay, Microsoft Visual Studio. I don't want the spaces. Windows doesn't like it sometimes, so for longer ones. Okay, go Visual Studio Code, add to the path, add to path. Select additional tasks you would like to set up to perform while installing Visual Studio, and then click next. Register code and an editor for supported file types, add to the path. I mean, if you want to choose it, you can register code. Means like if you type in on the command prompt code, Visual Studio Code will open up from the directory okay, where the command prompt is open. So add open with code, and the Explorer context menu, directory context menu, and let's take this one, desktop icon. Okay, require shell restart. Okay, install. Alright, launch Visual Studio Code. Before launching, we'll see here Visual Studio Code is opening here as well, and let's finish. Alright, so we have Visual Studio Code here. Alright, so you can go to Explorer, open folder, and so on, right? So if we go into any command prompt and type in code, you should open Visual Studio Code. Alright, that sounds to be good. We can follow our exercise wherever you are. We'll close this for now and minimize this. We'll close Eclipse, and now we have the project here, right? So we have the AngularJS project is here, and okay, project and CMD. Okay, just say CMD here, and okay, once we are here, we had a command, right? Code dot / so it will open the code from here, from my project folder. Code space dot / open, hit enter, and now it loaded the project here. So we can see all the AngularJS files here. We have the source here, you have the node modules here, we have E2E, end-to-end testing with protractor. We have source here, the source of the project is here in this folder. We have app, assets, environments, index.html, and so on, right? TypeScript file, styles file, test.ts file, and so on. Alright, I hope it helps you, and I will see you in a bit in the next session. Until then, bye.